Alright, so basically, I tell all that stuff, and then I provided her with the notice of understanding and intent and claim of right. I gave it to her as well, and I told her that this is basically the only document that I told her I came here to, give them. That I wasn't going to, and she was trying to have me sign a promise to appear or something like that. I'm like, I'm not doing it. I said, I'm not signing anything. And basically, and then, oh yeah, I forgot, the clerk, she could hear because the door was open. So she showed up behind, and she's like, Pat, are you okay? You want me to call the bailiff? And I'm like, why do you want to call the bailiff? We're just talking, and they were probably never talked to anybody. They never seen anybody come in here and just trying to, did what I did, So it was like, Pat, are you okay? You want to call the bailiff? And she was like, I'm okay, And so we went back and forth. She was trying to get me to answer some questions. I'm like, I'm not answering any question to you. I say, there's nothing I can answer. There's nothing I need to answer here. I'm not consenting to anything that's going on here. She doesn't have any jurisdiction over me. She's just a person. She's nobody. And they pretty much put her there to handle legal case. I'm just like, I'm not doing any of that. I'm not consenting to anything. I'm not doing anything. I gave her the document. I told her, there we go. And I told her that I give them 14 days to rebut my notice and my claim. And if they don't do so within 14 days, then I will assume that it is valid. That's what I told her. Gave it to her. She eyeballed me. Walked out of the office. Woo, 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 boom, I left. That's it. Didn't sign any permission. She did threaten me of a. She did threaten me of a warrant. But I was thinking when I got home, I was like, well, how would I get a warrant? For what? Failure to appear. I was there. So my address was on the document. So I don't know, guys. We'll see what's going to happen. I'm assuming they might mail me, an appearance to court, but I never promised to appear to court at that time. I already appeared to the hearing, so I don't know what's going to happen. I give it a shot. I'm going to wait 14 days, and in 14 days, guys, I will do another video, and during that video, I would actually do because after 14 days, if they don't answer, then you hit them back with a notice of default. Okay, and you guys know that, right? If they don't answer, then it becomes law. Okay, so I guess based on my document, I'll be a free man. I won't be able to. I won't have to deal with Murray anymore. I'm assuming. So I'm still very new to these. I just think it's really cool and really great that people out there are done such wonderful documents. Pages and pages of documents. I even found another affidavit or something which is like 30 pages. But I just thought it was too much. You know what I mean? You don't want to just hit them with 30-page documents. I think this particular document summarizes everything. So, and also, if anybody knows what the difference is between an affidavit of truth and a notice of understanding and intent and claim of right, please leave a comment, because I've been thinking about it. I was like, what's the main difference between both? So they actually look identical. If you look at the content, it does say the same thing. The whereas is my understanding, whereas it does say the same thing. So I think I said on the bottom, I claim. It does claim a lot of stuff though. But anyways, guys, this is my story from United States, Salt Lake City, Utah here. As far as what's going on here with all this movement, Freeman, sovereignty, the true people who are fighting for the true rights of the American. I'm not even American, guys. You guys can hear my accent, and I'm trying to figure out where did their jurisdiction comes from. I'm not even born here, because a lot of people are saying that when you're born here, then when you get your birth certificate, then that's when you get when you become, I don't know, a citizen or a subject of the United States. But I don't know. I'm not even born here, so I'm wondering when when did I start being a subject of the United States, a person, as they call it, or legal fiction. They did create legal fiction of me. I don't know where it comes from. I'm not accepting it. So guys, you guys all need to fight for your rights. This is not a joke. They're taking advantage of you. They're twisting the law. They're creating statutes and acts that are not the law. It's simply to grease the pockets of the politicians, put more money in their pockets. That is not for you guys, okay? They're making so many different things on there which are completely, to me personally, useless. You guys, you can give me 10 commandments and I can live my life perfectly fine. Don't need this book of rules, right? Called statutes and acts. All right, guys. Thanks and peace.